Hello everybody, how are you? Now we'll complete our question about dynamics. Look at this example and write with me, okay? A tennis ball of mass 40 gram moves horizontally with velocity 50 centimeter per second to collide with racket and rebound in the opposite direction. With the velocity 110 centimeter per second if the contact time of the ball with the racket is 1 over 49 seconds. Find the ambiguous force. You want to find the ambiguous force of the racket on the ball in gram weight. Look at here, we have the ball tennis, then they give us the weight was 40 gram meter, moves horizontally here to collide with racket and rebound here, okay, rebound. So we can write the equation I equal what, m multiplied by v dash subtract by v, and we can convert the sign here because it was collide with the racket and rebound, okay, the ball rebound, so we must convert the sign here. It will be positive. Then the ambiguous equal m equal v dash multiply v, but he want to find the force. Who can find the relation? We know ambiguous equal f multiplied by t, so we must find ambiguous first here about this equation, okay, to find what? To find the force. Then we can write I equal the weight was 40 gram multiply v dash will 110 centimeter per second and velocity naught was 50 centimeter per second. Then I equal 40 multiplied by 160. You can find the result by using calculator. 40 multiplied by 160 here, 40 multiplied by 160, the result will be 6,400 gram centimeter per second, okay. And then you can using this relation about ambiguous and the force, and we have the time. Then you can write here 6,400. It was the ambiguous equal the force multiplied by t. The time was 1 over 49 seconds. Then the force will be 6,400 multiplied by 49. But the result will be 9. He want to find the result in gram weight, and the result you must divide it by 980. Okay, 6,400 multiplied by 49. Then the result will be here 9, okay. We can write the result by 9. 3136009. You can complete by using calculator divided by 980 to convert from 9 to what? To gram watt. 313,600 divided by 980, okay, divided by 980, the result will be 320 gram watt, okay. It's easy or not? You must know this relation about ambiguous and v dash velocity in the end and velocity in the beginning, okay. So we must write the result 32 gram weight. Another question. A particle moves in a straight line with initial velocity 3 meter per second from a constant point such that E equal 6x plus 4 meter per square second. Find v square in terms of x. Who can find the result? Look at here, acceleration equals 6x plus 4, so we must know the acceleration will be equal v multiplied derivative about v over dt. You must know this relation about v, dx, about v and dv over x, and we know acceleration equal dv over dt, first derivative about velocity or t. But we know in this example acceleration equal 6x plus 4. In this equation we have x, so we must use this relation. Don't use this relation, okay? You must using equal acceleration equal v, and we can complete a multiply dx equal v multiply dv, and we can find the result about integration from left hand side and right hand side. Integration here about x naught to x, and here v integral to v. We have a vertical moves in a straight line with initial velocity, so x here equal 0 to x, and acceleration equal 6x plus 4. All dx equal integration about v initial here about 3. He give us v initial equal 3 to v multiply dv. We can find the result here, 6x power 2 over 2, the result will be 3x power 2 plus 4x from 0 to x, and here v square over 2 from 3 to v. Okay, then the result would be what? 3x power 2 plus 4x will be equal v square over 2. Okay, v square over 2 subtract 9 over 2, and we must move 9 over 2 to left hand side and multiply by 2 to find v square. We want to find v square in terms of x. Then 3x power 2 plus 4x plus 9 over 2 equal v square over 2. Then v square equals 6x power 2. Okay, multiply by 2 here to cancel x in denominator here. 6x power 2 plus 8x plus 9. Okay, another example. We want to find the velocity of vertical when x equal 2 meter. So in this equation we can complete here v square equals 6x power 2 plus 8x plus 9. We can find the result by substitute x equal 2, such that x equal 2, then v square equal 6 multiply x power 2. X was 2 power 2 equal 4, 4 times 6 equal 24, plus 2 multiply 8 equals 16 plus 9. So v square equal, the result will be what? 49. We have what? We want to find the velocity vertical when x equals, and v equal square root of 49 equal what? Equal 7. Okay, square root of 49 equals 7. That was the velocity of vertical when x equal 2. Okay, velocity will be positive or negative 7 meter per second. And we want to find x when velocity square equal 87. But we want to find velocity positive or negative. We must know velocity positive or negative. Who can solve it? Positive or negative? We must find the acceleration when x equal 2. Okay, when x equal to, look at here, right? When x equal to, then acceleration will be what? We know e equals 6x plus 4, and acceleration will be 12 plus 4 equals 16. So the acceleration will be what? Equals 16, positive. more than 0. Okay, and when a equal 0, then 6x plus 4 will be 0, and x will be equal negative 4 over 6. It will be negative 2 over 3. Okay, then acceleration equal 16 more than 0 when x equal 2. Then the velocity will be positive. Okay, so v will be 7 meter per second. It is the velocity. Okay, don't write positive or negative. Why? Because the direction is the same about acceleration. Acceleration positive and the velocity was positive. Question 3 here. You want to find x when v square equal 87. So we can complete this equation and write v square equal what? Equal 87. Then you can write 6x power 2 here plus 8x plus 9 equal what? Equal 87. Then 6x power 2 plus 8x plus 9 subtract 87 equals 0. And then we can write 6x power 2 plus 8x, and we can write negative here, and the result will be what? We can borrow 1. 17 minus 9 equal 8, and write 7 by 8. The result will be 78 equals 0, and we can factorize this equation by write 2 outside coefficient about all terms. Then the result will be x power 2 plus 4x subtract what? 7 divided by 2 equal 3, and remainder 1. 18 divided by 2 equal 9, and we can factorize it here. X multiply x, and we can write outside here. We know 3 multiply 13 equal 39. Okay, we can write here what? It was 3 here. Okay, we can write 3x multiply x, and 3 multiply 3 equal 9. 13 minus 9 equal 4. We can write here 13 times 3. 13 multiplied by 3. Okay, 3 times 3 equal 9. 13 minus 9 equal 4, and the sign will be what? Here will be positive and it will be negative. Or you can use a calculator by this program. Write here mode and write equation and letter 3, and write in the calculator 3 for negative 3 negative 39. 3 equal 4 equal negative 39 equal, and this calculator can solve the rate. The result will be 3 and negative 13 over 3. Okay, then x equal 3 or x equal negative 13 over 3. Okay, then x equal negative 13 over 3 is refused. Why? Because the body moves on the direction only. Okay, because the body the body moves on the direction only, then it will be refused, but x will be 3. It is a solve. Understood? So in this example we must know this relation about acceleration and what? And v. Acceleration equal v multiply dv over dx, and we can write e multiply dx equal v multiply dv, and integration from x naught to x and v naught to v about left hand side and right hand side, and we can complete it about this example. A equals 6x plus 4, and they give us initial velocity was 3 meter here to v, and we can write v square here, and then we can find v square, but v square equal 49, then v equal positive or negative square root of 49. So we must know the result will be positive or negative. When x equal 2, then acceleration will be more than 0, then we must write v equal 7 meter per second. Don't use negative, it will be refused. Okay, and we can complete. When v square equal 87, you can write here this equation about v square equals 6x power 2 plus 8x plus 9 equal 87, and we can solve it by using calculator. You can using this equation by using calculator, give us negative and positive, and the result negative here will be impossible to refuse, but x will be equal 3. Okay, I hope to understood this. Okay, you must write all this question in your notebook. Thank you, goodbye.